Hey guys, welcome to ETR. My new Apple Watch Series 6 just arrived in the mail. This is just going to be my first attempt unboxing it. I just arrived at home, found out this showed up at my door, accepted it, and 3, 2, 1. Oh man, this thing is hard. Here we go. Hope it is recording in landscape mode. Yay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, this is interesting packaging. Apple Watch. I ordered the Series 6 product red with the Sport Loop. Let's take a look at the packaging. Series 6 aluminum case, product red 44 mil. Yeah, it's GPS. Let's take it apart. Not really take it apart. Unbox. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. It's been so long since I've unboxed an Apple Watch. Wait, it's red? Oh God. This must be beautiful. Beautiful. In 3, 2, 1. They vacuum seal it. And you also need to peel these tabs for some reason. Man, they vacuum sealed this really well. Finally got a grip of it. Smell the factory. Designed by Apple. And here we have it. The Apple Watch Series 6. This is actually made of paper. Man, it feels really good. 3, 2, 1. Brand new Apple Watch with the blood oxygen sensor. Set it aside, put it here. Product red, instruction guide. And they did say no power adapter in the box. Yes, they're right, there is no power adapter. My little brother's again on my side. He's just interested in what an Apple Watch Series 6 looks like. Let's pick it up. God, I can't pick it up. You know what? I'll get to the puck. Set this aside. Grab the Apple Watch. Put the case in there. It is recycled. No worries. Put this back on. Where's the strap? Here is the strap. Is it sealed? Why, yes it is. Red Sport Loop. Where do I open it? Apple Watch. Man, this feels good. This is stretchy. Put this back together. The box is for me to keep. And the watch is also for me to keep. My old one is going to go to my little bro. Put this back in. Definitely not going to throw this box away. Man, it is beautiful. Beautiful. Did I crush it? Yes, I did crush this. You know what? Never mind. I'm just gonna put it in. Heck. Broke it. No. There we go. Beautiful. Product red. Sadly, no Apple stickers. Yes, this doesn't want to fit. Ugh, God. Crush this. Doesn't want to open from the side, so guess I have to do it the cruel way. Done. Now it's gonna fit. Put it back in. This is the Apple Watch Series 6 unboxing. I'll go set this up. And it's red. Beautiful. This is the sport loop that's included. Feels really nice. Definitely does. And I'll put this on now. It's a loop, so. Oh, God. These triggers, they feel really good. Snap right on. Series 6. Just slips right on your wrist. This is 44 mil. Again, now unbox the puck. Oh my goodness. It smells like that apple smell from the factory. Oh my God. Huh, forgot to put this back in. But I'll deal with all this later. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. I'll go set this up. I'll go clean this mess up. Bye.